You've got the exhaustion, the brain fog, all the many different confusing aches and pains, the migraines, the hormone issues, the gut issues. Okay, I could go on and on and on. Are you bouncing from doctor to doctor, from specialist to specialist, trying to find that elusive diagnosis? Or are you already living with a chronic illness diagnosis or an autoimmune disease, and you've been told that you just have to manage this forever, that there is no cure, that there's nothing that you can do except take your big pharma? Look, that's just no longer scientifically true. And you can be just like me. You can heal from these chronic symptoms to a significant degree. You can feel so much better. And what if I told you that I myself, as a medical scientist, as an autoimmune disease specialist, that I myself have healed from 7 autoimmune diseases and severe fibromyalgia, that I've been healed for over 10 years, and I've helped thousands of people to feel better over those 10 years? What if I offer you a challenge that you can actually do? You can come and be with me and learn everything I've got to teach you about the new science of healing. Get your ticket now for the 2026 Rise in Heal Challenge. These are normally $97, but for a limited time, I'm going to give just a few of these away at only $27. So you're going to want to act quickly on this one. Just go to risehealchallenge.com. It's up on the screen, risehealchallenge.com. Get your ticket, get your free program, get your free ebook, and all the free bonuses right now. Come on, come into my private community. Let me start being your private health mentor. I can't wait to see you feel better.